Welcome to this comprehensive guide on whether mobile homeowners have to pay property tax in 2025. As a mobile homeowner, it is essential to understand your tax obligations to avoid any penalties or fines. First, let's define what a mobile home is. A mobile home is a type of housing that is built in a factory and transported to a site where it is assembled. Mobile homes are considered personal property, but they can also be classified as real property under certain circumstances. In most states, mobile homeowners are required to pay property tax on their homes. However, the amount of tax and the way it is calculated vary from state to state. If the mobile home is situated on a plot of land that the owner also owns, the mobile home is usually considered real property, and the owner must pay property tax on both the land and the home. On the other hand, if the mobile home is situated in a mobile home park or on rented land, the owner may only have to pay personal property tax on the home itself. Personal property tax is usually lower than real property tax, but it can still be a significant expense. To determine whether you have to pay property tax on your mobile home, you should check with your local tax assessor's office. They can provide you with information on the tax laws in your area and help you determine how much tax you owe. You can also consult with a tax professional or accountant who is familiar with mobile home tax laws. It is also important to note that some states offer exemptions or reductions in property tax for mobile homeowners who meet certain criteria, such as low-income seniors or disabled veterans. To qualify for these exemptions, you will typically need to provide documentation and meet specific eligibility requirements. In conclusion, mobile homeowners may have to pay property tax on their homes, depending on the laws in their state and the classification of their property. By understanding the tax laws and regulations in your area, you can ensure that you are in compliance and avoid any penalties or fines. Remember to check with your local tax assessor's office and consult with a tax professional if you have any questions or concerns about your mobile home tax obligations.